Again, thank you very much, Pak Dr. Nurul Akmal and Nasir, for having us, and then will giving us some knowledge about how to upgrade the science and mathematical. The problem is still how can the students understand about this? When the students understand deeply about the importance of mathematics and science, I think they will love this subject.
In order to give the student interest, we believe that instead of we are focusing on the classroom method, as a teacher and as a mathematics educator, we also must plan the hands-on activity to be carried out with the cooperative learning that can influence student interest in learning science and mathematics.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Akmal and all the participants. Have a wonderful day. See you again next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.